What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you don't know, now you do. And how are you guys? How are you doing? I know it's like the same intro every single time. I'm back once again, like a month later. But I just went through a lot of stress, to be honest with you. And on my days off, which is when I film, I didn't want to do makeup. I wanted to be like makeup free. I just wanted to be a bum. I kind of was in like a stressful, depressive mode. If you're going through anything, just always know that it's temporary and it's not gonna last forever. And I just realized that there's things I can't control and I just gotta get through it. I just gotta get through it. And I'm tired of being in this funk of not wanting to do makeup, not caring about myself. Even for work, I would throw on concealer and that's it. Like, I didn't have no motivation to do eyeshadow looks until maybe like a week or two ago. Other than that, I had no motivation. I didn't want to do anything. So I'm finally getting out of that funk and wanting to do videos again. Like I always say, I'm so sorry. I feel like this year has just been a year. So I apologize, but I am back to it. I want to do a look with this beautiful, beautiful palette. This is Natasha Denona. This is the Coral palette. I did get it in my BoxyCharm. I think she is so pretty. Natasha Denona is super bougie. Like, this little small ass palette is like 20 something, $25, $30, and I got it in my BoxyCharm. So I definitely wanted to give her a go. These colors look super pretty. So we are gonna do a look with her. So I am gonna shut up and we're gonna get right to it. All right, so I did bring you closer in just so you can see more of, I just hit myself, more closer look. If you know and you've been watching, I am going through the process of ombre powder brows. So to be honest with you, I didn't have a good experience. I am already on week 4, I believe, of healing. So I'm definitely going to go into a more in-depth video about it, probably actually this week, because I want to do like a 4-week check-in. So we're going to ignore them. And as you can tell, they are uneven. This one isn't too bad, but you can tell it definitely didn't take on some of my skin. And it's a little bit uneven, so I am going to go through the process of removal. Like I said, I'm going to go through a more in-depth video, but that is why I don't have anything on my brows. I don't know if I'm going to fill them in because I'm not going anywhere. Maybe we'll kind of see how I feel, but I definitely wanted to focus on the eyeshadow for today. Like I said, this is the Natasha Denona Coral palette. It's a 5-pan palette, and then it shows like all the names. Super cute. Got it in my BoxyCharm, so I wanted to definitely do a look. Super pretty. This color is calling me. It's like a pretty iridescent, like purpley color. So I'm definitely going to prime my lids. I usually just use concealer. I hear that eyeshadow primers are really, really good. I just personally don't buy them. I feel like concealer works perfectly well for me. So I'm just going to use the Jeffree Star concealer. This is in 6.5. So I'm just going to do that. And then I like to look up because that's where it'll typically end. Sometimes I use a sponge. Sometimes I use a brush. I'll use a sponge today. I am going to start with this pretty color right here. So it has the colors on the back. I want to say this one is called Dakota. No, I don't know which way it goes. It's either Dakota or Lyrica. I don't know, but it's this color right here. I'm just going to use a fluffy brush. I think this is a Alamad Cosmetics brush. Can't really see because I use it so much. Dab into here. I hear Natasha Denona palettes are beautiful. Like, the pigment is beautiful. They're such great quality. Girl, they are super expensive. Whatever I get in BoxyCharm is what I use of them because they're like $100 and something palettes. So I was happy to get it in the box. Ooh, this color is super pretty, super pigmented. These small palettes, sorry, the thing is moving. I want to say is like $25 for this small ass palette. But all right, super pretty, blended well. And then I'm gonna go into this color. Like I said, I don't know what order it is. It's either the Lyrica or Dakota because it's in the same spot, so I don't know. But I'm gonna go with that pretty like burnt color. I'm gonna put that in this part right here. Kind of tap. And blend. Super pretty. And then for the lid shade, I'm gonna go with this beautiful color. Don't know how to say it. Abalone. This shade right here. Super pretty. It's like a chromey color. I don't even know if you can see that on camera. Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. I always like to do my lid shades with my finger. I just feel like it gives me the most pigment. You can always spray your brush with setting spray. Couldn't think. Setting spray. But I like it this way. Color is super gorgeous. I'm going to go back to this color right here. Kind of just blend it on top a little bit. I think I'm going to do a wing with this look. Go back to this one. I kind of just always repeat what I already did just to make sure everything blends. All right, and then for eyeliner, I'm going to be using this. I have been liking it. It is the Tarteist by Tarte. It has the dual, so it has the liquid and then it has the regular. I think I'm going to do a wing, attempt to do a wing because I haven't really been doing them. Ooh, she's a little chunky. While that's drying a bit, I'm just using my makeup wipes. I use the Target brand, not the Neutrogena ones because I feel like they're too liquidy and I don't like the film that it gives me. The film that it leaves. But I like the Target off-brand. It's my favorite one. I try not to use makeup wipes too much. I don't use it to like clean my whole face. I definitely use my wash and my toner and all that. I'm just gonna use it to clean up, but kind of make the point a little bit pointier. And then I like to use it if like glitter or anything falls out. Then use the other side. So I did end up going with the Ardell lashes. These are the 207s. Let me show you the little thing. 207s. I am letting the glue dry and I'm just going to put some moisturizer on. So I know this is kind of like an overnight nighttime, but I'm not going anywhere, so it don't matter. This is the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I've used this a couple times and I do like it. I like how you can like, It goes like that. And then you, of course, put on your face. But I actually need to get a daytime moisturizer just because I don't want this to affect my makeup. Not that it does, but maybe I'll chance it today, actually. Maybe I'll try to see what happens when I put concealer on. But I will definitely try it today, actually, because if I can use it as a daytime one, that would be great. But I actually just did order from BoxyCharm. What do you call it? Add-ons. They have a huge sale. It's like 70 to 80% off certain products. And I did snag me up a moisturizer. It's a Kors fancy moisturizer. I don't know what it was called. I'll definitely show you guys once I get it in. But it was only like 12 bucks and it's normally like a $50 or $60 moisturizer. So I picked that up. And then I picked up a Tula scrub for like blackheads. I don't really get blackheads. I get more so whiteheads. But I need an exfoliant right now because I'm trying to, you know, take care of this. And then just my skin in general, I feel like it's been really dry, believe it or not. So I know that has to do with like water too, but I definitely am in the hunt for an exfoliator. So I did buy that. But I will see how this works. I do like how this feels. It hasn't broken me out. This is just like hormones. But it doesn't break me out. I like how it feels on my skin. Like I said, I've used it a couple times. But that is on. And then I'm going to throw on this lash. She should be dry. She is on. She is a cute lash. They're black and I think they're perfect. They're dramatic, but not too dramatic. That's why I really like these Ardell ones. Like I said, this is the black 207s. Run, go get them. They're like $5. All right, so here's how she's looking. I think the colors are beautiful. I think the look came out good. I think the lash just like pulls it together. So I'm gonna do this eye off camera and I'll be right back. All right, I am back. I did both eyes. She is looking cute. I really love this palette, let me tell you. The colors are pigmented. They were easy to blend. And I think the look came out super gorgeous. So I did throw a little bit of concealer on. I did the Jeffree Star one. I was going to put some powder on, but I'm probably not because I usually will always put powder on because that's what keeps it on and that's what mattifies me a little bit. But I'm not going to do it today. Feeling kind of lazy. I just really wanted to do the eye look, but I am gonna do the bottom lash. I think I'm gonna put some liner on as well. Sometimes I go with like a colorful liner. Sometimes I do black. Today I'm gonna do black. So not that side. Gonna use the same Tarte one. Just gonna smudge some black liner underneath. All right, she is on, and then I'm gonna go back to this palette for my brush. I think I'm gonna do this one and this one. So tap, 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 and smudge a little bit underneath. Ooh, child. She's pigmented, and I usually use a smaller brush, but I think I'm gonna clean it up with my other brush in a bit. So just smearing a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go to like a big powder brush, kind of just clean it up just a smidget. I do like the more I don't know, just more blown out look anyways, but that is looking cute. And then I think I'm actually gonna go back to this palette and use this color right here. This one's called either Lola or Kai, not sure, but I'm gonna use this for the inner corner. And then I'm just using a little Morphe brush. This is the M3 2, 1. Ooh, pretty. I think that went perfect. Super pretty. I love how this looks. I'm gonna throw on some setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I don't think this is available anymore. I think this is like a limited edition gold packaging. Doesn't even sound like I got anything in there, but real quick. I'm not gonna even throw on any bronzer or highlight or blush. I know I did do a full face yesterday though, and it's been a long time. But I just wanted to do a quick look. Like I said, I still got a bunch peeking through, damn hormones. But I just want to do a little bit of concealer and call it a day. So here she is. Alright guys, so that concludes everything for today's video. Short, sweet, just wanted to show you guys. This is definitely a 10 for 10 palette. Like I said, this is Natasha Denona Cora palette. I got it in my BoxyCharm. I think you could get it at like Sephora, of course their website. I think she's a beautiful palette, beautiful formula, so 10 for 10 like I said. But I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for always hanging in there and watching my videos. You guys are seriously the best. I am trying to come out with more videos, I promise. I know. But I am definitely looking forward to filming more. So definitely be on the lookout. Please be sure to definitely subscribe and also ring that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you would definitely be notified. And also don't forget to follow all my socials, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my IG. Catch me on TikTok as well. I'm trying to do more of those. It is Jams2535 on all of those platforms. Also follow my business page. I am in the glitter world. Earrings, cups, all that jazz. It is Jazzy Jewels on Facebook and Instagram. And I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So I would definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.